What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King Breaker, and I'm back with another cut. And today I'm gonna do a low ball fade. So I'm gonna start this low ball fade off with my TPO-B Troll trimmers, and I'm just gonna try to create me a nice low ball guideline so I can slowly transition into this low ball fade. So y'all just watch, and then I'll head to the next step with the number one guard lever all the way open.
Honey.
Okay, so now I'm going in with my number one guard lever all the way open. Just going over his hair, trying to get it to that one desired length, going over his waves, making sure that I keep his waves in check. Just trying to, like I said, get the hair off to one desired length before I start to blend the rest of his hair in with the ball guideline that I set in previously. Okay, so right now I'm going in with my clipper. No guard lever all the way open, creating another guideline, which I call my fade line. So I'll be able to blend in the bottom guideline that I set in the previous steps into the middle line, and also create a smooth transition into the top half of his haircut, which is basically done with the guard. So y'all just watch how I blend in the ball guideline into the middle line, which I call the fade line, and then I'll move up into the thicker parts of his hair that I'll do with the guard system. So y'all just watch as I fade in using the corner of the blades, creating a smooth transition into this low ball fade. And don't forget, when you fading, use the corner of the blade. Corner of the blade, it'll flick out the fade. So as you see, I'm just using the corner of the blade, slowly flicking out the bottom line that I set in with my trimmers. Okay, so now I'm gonna go with my one guard lever all the way open, and I'm gonna start my process into flicking the top half of this fade out into my middle line, my fade line. So y'all just watch my steps, and I'm gonna adjust the levers as I go until I complete this transition into this low ball fade. And remember to brush down every time you go over, your strokes when you're cutting, just so you can see how much hair you've taken off. And as you see, I'm trying to create that transition into that middle line, my fade line, with the one guard. So as you can see, it's blending in perfectly. So just keep watching as I keep working, and I'm gonna keep slowly transitioning using my guards from the 1 to the 0, and I'm gonna jump back in with the 1.5 to try to complete the fade transition. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my 1.5 guard, just trying to complete this transition into the one guard lever all the way open, and slowly adjust it down. And then at the end of that process, I'm just gonna try to blend in that bottom line that you see with my 0 guard. So y'all just keep watching as I keep adjusting the levers with the 1.5 guard, flicking, creating a slow transition into a nice blend into this low ball fade. So y'all just keep watching me work, and how I'm brushing the hair back down every time I go over stroke. And I'm just trying to create a smooth transition until I get to the areas where I need to use the 0 guard. Oh, and a topic for comments. What's your favorite NBA teams, NBA players? My client laughing because I clowns LeBron James. I'm a Kobe fan. Put in the comments y'all favorite player in NBA teams, man. Let me know something. Okay, so now I'm going in with my zero guard, lever all the way open, trying to knock out that fade line and that ball guideline that I set in. So I'm just gonna keep adjusting the levers all the way open until I get to close the lever all the way and try to see if I completely knock out that guideline set. But I'm pretty sure I won't be able to, so I'll probably just knock that out with my trimmers or with my clippers without the guard. So y'all just keep watching me as I attempt to knock out this final guideline, adjusting the levers open to close, and create a smooth transition into this low ball fade. And as you can see, like I said, it wasn't going to take the line out completely, so I switched over to my clippers, no guard, lever all the way open, and just attacking the bottom line. And I'll adjust the levers as I go up if necessary. So right now I'm just going in, using the corner of my blade, knocking out that bulk on the top of the guideline until I slowly create the transition of eliminating the full guideline. So y'all just watch me as I adjust the levers and use the corner of my blade to knock out the guideline. Too much talking. I missed the start when I started taking off my guard, so I gotta do more paying attention to the videos, man. I ain't really that good at talking on the videos. Like I said in my first talking video, like I said, man, y'all can see I took the guard off and I'm basically knocking out that line now. So I'll probably do a little bit more touch-up work after I knock out that guideline completely. So yeah, y'all just watch me work the fade out, and then we'll switch over to the lineup. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna do a little detail work, touching up any spots I probably missed. So you'll probably see me switch guards in this sequence. Just switching guards, knocking out both, trying to make sure that fade is nice and tight. And then I'll, like I said, start the lineup process. So just watch how I detail this fade until I, get it to my liking and do what I gotta do. So again, like I said, I'm just doing detail work. Right now I'm doing some detail work with the 1.5 guard, making sure that the blend is nice and tight. And I haven't said this the whole time during the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave comments. Let me know if you like the haircut, man. You know what I'm saying? Engage with me. I'll engage back, man. I take any type of criticism, man. So leave some comments, man. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I want to apologize for not dropping this video. I got busy, helped my cousin with his nonprofit event called the Sticks League. It's a basketball tournament he put on every Saturday. You know what I'm saying? I was giving out free haircuts for the kids, so that took up some of my time. Really not taking up my time. I actually enjoyed myself. Great basketball game, great environment, everything free for the kids. So if you're in the Illinois area, Lake County area specifically, check out the Sticks League, man, every Saturday. We appreciate it. And now we're going to start the lineup process, starting from the center of the forehead, working my way to the corners. And then I'm just going to work the vertical bars, try to create a smooth, crisp line, nice line that pops out to go with his waves. And as y'all can see, when I move my hand, look at that fade, blended. I did my thing. And his waves is popping, so now I gotta make sure that the lineup is crispy, right? So, like I said, I'm just ensuring the lines, solidifying my lineup, tapping, just trying to create a crisp, nice line. Then I'm work down towards the facial hair. Okay, so now you can see, now I'm really finna solidify the lineup. And as you can see, the lineup came out real crispy, so now I'm just gonna go over it again, knocking out any loose hairs that's hanging over the lineup. And as you can see, the lineup is nice, straight and crispy. The fade is crispy. Then, I'll do his facial hair, but I didn't do that on camera. I actually did the razor on camera, but y'all tell me what y'all think of the line and if it's straight, Did it come out crispy? Y'all let me know, man. Leave some comments. Because right now, it look crispy to me. And like I said, now I'm just going to go over it with the razor blade. You know, stretching the skin. Making sure that everything is nice and crispy. Trying not to cut the client, so make sure you always stretch the skin. And as you can see, that fade is nicely blended in. The vertical bar is crispy. So, yeah, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think of the cut. It's been King Braco, man. Like, share, and subscribe.